Hi there guys, welcome to Such Is Life, a channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy revolving around it. On this channel, we will delve into a variety of topics related to life and how we live it, including personal growth, relationships, and the search for meaning and purpose. Whether you are a seasoned philosopher or just starting to think about the big questions in life, we hope you will join us on this journey of discovery and self-exploration. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the mysteries of life together. In life, we are constantly faced with decisions and choices that can have a significant impact on our present and future. From small, everyday choices to major life-changing decisions, our ability to navigate these situations with rationality and objectivity can greatly influence our success and happiness. However, navigating life with rationality and objectivity is not always easy. Emotions, biases, and personal beliefs can often cloud our judgment and lead us down a path that may not be in our best interest. It requires a conscious effort to gather all available information, evaluate it objectively, and make decisions based on logic and reason. It is on this premise that this video explores, where our discussions with AI sets the stage for exploring the importance of rationality and objectivity in decision-making, and how it can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Rationality and objectivity are two crucial concepts that can enable individuals to navigate life and make sound decisions. In essence, rationality involves the use of reason and logical thinking in decision-making. Rationality is crucial because it helps individuals to avoid emotional, irrational, or impulsive decisions. When individuals use rationality in their decision-making, they weigh the pros and cons of a particular situation, evaluate the possible outcomes of each choice, and make decisions based on logical reasoning. Rationality has been a central concept in philosophy for centuries, and many philosophers have explored the nature of rationality and its role in human decision-making. From philosophers such as Aristotle, Descartes, and Kant who emphasized the importance of rationality in human decision-making, to Nietzsche who criticized the Enlightenment's focus on rationality as narrow and restrictive. Contemporary psychologist Daniel Kahneman has shown that humans are not always rational, and our decision-making is influenced by cognitive biases and heuristics. Objectivity, on the other hand, refers to the ability to view situations and issues without bias or personal preferences. Objectivity involves being impartial and neutral in analyzing information, considering different perspectives, and making decisions. This concept is vital because personal biases and preferences can significantly influence the way individuals perceive situations, and can lead to irrational or suboptimal decisions. Like rationality, objectivity too has been a central concept in philosophy for centuries. Plato believed in the existence of objective reality, while Kant recognized the role of subjective experiences in shaping our perception of reality. Nietzsche and Rorty were critical of the idea of objective truth, arguing that different perspectives and knowledge are shaped by culture and language. Thomas Kuhn argued that scientific knowledge is not objective but is shaped by the prevailing paradigm of a particular time period. While it is pretty clear the enlightened mind uses the combination of rationality and objectivity to make informed and logical decisions, and that when individuals use these concepts together, they can evaluate situations objectively, gather all available information, consider different perspectives, and make decisions that are based on sound reasoning, it is not, however, as clear to navigate life with rationality and objectivity for most mere mortals, as your everyday person would have to deal with various distractions such as emotions, biases, and personal beliefs that can often cloud their judgment and lead them down a path that may not be in their best interest. It requires persistent and conscious effort to gather all available information, evaluate it objectively, and make decisions based on logic and reason. Now, we may all not be born with or master the mind required for this, but we can practice some small steps in our lives to reach this level. So let us see how this can be done. When it is time to make decisions, it is important to consider whether we have all available information before deciding on a course of action. By this, it requires gathering relevant facts, considering different perspectives, and evaluating all potential consequences of each option. The final objective is to come to a final informed decision that is based on a comprehensive understanding of the situation. Rationality is essentially using reason and logical thinking to evaluate information and come to a conclusion. Rational thinking involves analyzing information, identifying patterns, and making predictions based on empirical evidence. It helps individuals to avoid making decisions based on emotions or biases, which can lead to suboptimal outcomes. Moreover, rational thinking can lead to more effective problem solving. When faced with a problem or challenge, the use of rational thinking is to break down the problem into smaller, more manageable components. By doing so, each component can be identified by its root cause of the problem and develop a solution that addresses the underlying issue. In addition, breaking down the problems in smaller chunks also helps in assessing risk and uncertainty in a micro and macro scale. By evaluating the potential consequences of different options against the weight of its risk to reward, individuals can make decisions that are more likely to lead to positive outcomes and minimal risk potential. Now let's apply the same train of thought on objectivity. Objectivity allows individuals to view situations and issues without bias or personal preferences. Biases/preferences are unconscious, ingrained patterns of thinking that can lead us to favor certain ideas or perspectives over others, even if those ideas are not supported by evidence or reason. This can lead to unfair treatment of certain individuals or groups, as well as flawed decision-making in various areas of life, such as education, politics, and business. Being aware of our biases and striving to overcome them is important for making more rational and objective decisions, and for promoting fairness and equity in society. When individuals are objective, they consider all available information and evaluate it impartially. This is essential because personal biases and preferences can significantly influence the way individuals perceive situations, leading to irrational or suboptimal decisions. Objectivity helps individuals to avoid making decisions based on their personal beliefs or opinions. Instead, individuals who are objective weigh the evidence and evaluate it objectively, regardless of their personal preferences. This can lead to more informed, fair, and just decisions, as they are based on factual information rather than personal biases. Moreover, objectivity is essential in situations where the stakes are high. For example, in a legal case, a judge or jury must consider all available evidence objectively to ensure that the decision is fair and just. In a business context, objective decision-making can help organizations avoid conflicts of interest, ensure that all stakeholders are considered, and make decisions that are in the best interest of the company as a whole. So what can we conclude from this? The journey towards rationality and objectivity in decision-making is a challenging and ongoing process that requires constant self-reflection, awareness, and practice. Biases are ingrained in us through our experiences, beliefs, and societal conditioning, and they can be difficult to overcome. However, acknowledging and understanding our biases is the first step towards overcoming them. In order to make more rational and objective decisions, we must strive to evaluate all available information without being swayed by emotions, personal preferences, or biases. This means considering alternative perspectives and examining evidence objectively. It requires us to question our assumptions and to seek out new information that may challenge our existing beliefs. In addition, practicing rationality and objectivity in decision-making also requires us to acknowledge the limits of our knowledge and to be open to changing our minds if new evidence emerges. It means recognizing that our perspectives and beliefs are not static and can evolve over time as we learn more and gain new experiences. Ultimately, the pursuit of rationality and objectivity in decision-making is essential for promoting fairness, equity, and informed decision-making in all areas of life. It enables us to make decisions that are not based on personal biases, but are instead grounded in evidence, reason, and logic. By continuously working to improve our rationality and objectivity, we can make more informed, effective, and just decisions, and contribute to a more positive and equitable world. So there you go, folks. Thanks for joining us on Such Is Life channel for this brief thought experiment. We hope that you have enjoyed exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy with us. Remember, life is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, and there is always more to learn and discover. We encourage you to continue thinking deeply about the big questions in life and to seek out new experiences and perspectives that can help you to grow and evolve. We look forward to sharing more insights and ideas with you on future episodes of Such Is Life. If you like the content, we would love to hear your comments below, and remember to have a healthy discussion so we all can benefit together. We would appreciate it if you could share, like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated with our upcoming thought-provoking discussions on this channel. One small gesture from you means the world to us as we try to navigate our own YouTube life. Until next time, guys, take care and keep exploring the mysteries of life.